You know what? I love oatmeal cookies.
You do.
So she's always trying to like up the game, and she did it.
I did.
This is almost too much. I almost can't stand it.
I'm not going to let you eat them. They're just too beautiful.
They are too beautiful. But she came in with this sourdough.
Got to use your sourdough. I got it on the counter.
Well, every day you got to take a little bit off.
That's
and,
right.
You know, the waste or the side product of it. There's uses for that.
That's right.
So she came up with this idea to do a sourdough oatmeal cookie.
With icing.
Ridiculous. So we're going to get that started before the regular meal because we have to put some of that in the refrigerator for a while. So I'm going to stand back and watch you do your thing because I want this to happen.
I'm going to have you help me. You're going to be my mixer.
Mixer?
Yes.
Mixologist?
Mixologist. And what's unique about this, we do have a cup of oatmeal, but I'm going to actually grind it up fine. So let me do that first.
So the oatmeal is ground to begin with.
Yeah, let's do that first as I make a mess.
Now, could you put raisins in this?
We could.
Let's not this round because it was so good.
That's right. Let's just do it like it's supposed to be. See what it did here? I'll show you.
So you just
I made it fine, yeah. So this is going to be the new way we're going to put that in there.
All right.
All right, but to start,
so how much was that?
that was 1 cup.
One
that
cup
we're going to use
of
later.
oats.
Right.
Okay.
To start, we're going to do a stick of butter, and I'm going to let you be in charge of going ahead and getting that mixer going.
Go ahead and start it?
Yep, put it on just low. I also have a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. You're doing really good. Look at you. Wow. Do you want to pour it in? Quarter cup of sugar?
One
I know.
hand. How much sugar?
Quarter cup.
Quarter cup.
Okay, you got your sugars mixed. We're going to add an egg.
How am I doing?
You're doing really good. And this is the vanilla Lisa made me. I'm almost out. She said she has more for me. I need more. About 1/2 teaspoon we're going to put in there.
She made that out of her vanilla beans, right?
She's enjoying herself doing all that. All right, here's where the starter comes in. You keep that
All right.
going. This is my starter that's been out on the counter. And we could, you know how I put it in the fridge for a week or so. If it was in the fridge, we could still even just pour it out of the fridge, but the cookie would not be as beautiful as the cookie's going to be because it sat out. Take a 1/4 cup of our starter.
Beautiful.
Add that in there. How's that looking?
Man, it's looking nice.
Looking beautiful?
I did a great job, didn't I?
You did good. So we have our cup of oatmeal. I also have a cup of flour here.
Okay. What kind of? All-purpose?
All-purpose flour. All right, this is already pre-mixed. I have a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda.
Gotcha.
And I'm gonna just pour this in with the flour. So put that
I
on.
smell that nutmeg.
You smell it? Put that on the lowest it can be so we don't have everything go crazy here. I'm just gonna add this in. I'm gonna start with the oatmeal.
Oh, that smells heavenly already.
And you know, we could, next time we'll try raisins. This time let's just be normal. What do you think?
I'm telling you, whatever you did was amazing. And there's no proof they ever existed because I ate them all.
That's right. And the only difference really than oatmeal cookie, I think, is grinding it up and then we have that starter.
Do you usually put nutmeg in your cookies?
No, but we did this time just for a little extra. How's that looking?
That looks wonderful.
All right.
Are we there?
Well, let me see, get it a little faster. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take all this out of here and I'm gonna put it in a little bowl and we're gonna put it in the fridge for 45 minutes, kind of let it.
How old is this mixer?
That mixer, how old am I? I bet it's almost 50 years old.
Wow.
Mom got that for me a long time ago. And we'll just let this sit for 45 minutes in the fridge before we make our wonderful cookies.
Sourdough oatmeal cookies. So just another use for your sourdough that's sitting around.
That's right. What else have we made? We've made buns. We've made everything with our sourdough. All right. All right.
Look at there.
That's ready?
Beautiful.
And I made a small batch because I know how you like to eat too many. Usually I did a 1/2 batch. How's that? Because I'm trying to protect you. Is that okay?
Are you saying I'm portly?
No, I'm just saying it's, just to be healthy. So I'm gonna stick this in the fridge.
That's it. It's like a serving of dessert.
Yes, it is. It's already on 350, so I'm gonna throw these in. We're gonna watch them. Give them 10 to 12 minutes. Aren't those beautiful?
So what are you going to do to finish these guys off?
I think we need a little icing on them. What do you think?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, because they're kind of special. I'm almost out of my beautiful vanilla. I need more, just a little bit of vanilla here. A lot of people do their own thing. And I have heavy whipping cream. That's it. Some people use milk, some use water. I would say.
So you're just eyeballing it.
Yeah, until it looks good. I still want to keep it thick.
So heavy
Use all
cream, a little vanilla,
And my powdered sugar.
just till you get a nice thick consistency.
Whatever you like. Some people like it really thin. I like it a little thicker because I'm going to ice these cookies because you need an iced cookie.
That looks like a scone.
It does, doesn't it?
That is a dessert right there.
That's thicker than a normal cookie.
And I'm telling you what, that little bit of nutmeg, you kind of shocked me with that.
Give it a little
You really
different
add
taste.
something.
All right, which one do you want? I'll ice one for you.
I want
You want
that
all of
one.
them? You want this one?
I want that one.
What do you think? Do you need more icing than that?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Now I'm telling you, this is special.
I want that kind of dry on there. But I know you're going to eat it before it has
Remember
time.
when we were kids, we would get these oatmeal cookies with this white icing on them. You don't see those anymore. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. These are sourdough cookies, though. That's why they're so good.
Sourdough oatmeal cookies
Yes.
with confectioner sugar icing. Would you look at that? That's a thing of beauty. Would you look at that, Miss Farmer?
You're excited, aren't you? Is it good? You take a little bite?
Oh,
That's really good.
we didn't even let the icing set up.
But you had to have it
I
now.
had to have it.
They'll all be gone before the icing sets up. I know how you are.
That sourdough adds something. I can't explain
Delicious.
it, but there's a depth there. Oh my, that's not even right.